Yeah, good morning everybody. Yeah, I'm going to put my broccoli soup. Good broccoli soup. And mix it. Yeah, do mix it. And I'll put it in the freeze now. Yeah, for the winter time. Eh? So we're gonna drop the soup in pots. Yeah, good. So broccoli soup. Good for the winter time. Eh? When it starts freezing, I got my soup. Yeah, I'm gonna do it different. Yeah, because it's gonna take too long, eh? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah, good broccoli soup. Eh? Look at that. Yummy, yummy soup. Hopla. And everything. Yeah, voila. And then another one here. Yeah. In the freezer, eh? Put it in the freezer. Yeah. A little bit more here. And that's just for a little bit more here also. Yeah. That's good. I put everything in the freezer. Yeah. This broccoli soup. Yummy, yummy broccoli soup. Yeah. Very good soup. Yeah. Good, everything. Voila. Let's close. Voila. Another one. If I find it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put everything in the freeze now. Yeah, thank you very much. That I'm gonna eat at noon. Yeah. You see what I'm doing with my with making soup. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Have a great day. Have a great Sunday. Thank you. Take good your rest also. Bye bye.